Welcome back, guys. We are covering almost all important comprehension. Those are very important for NQT point of view. In this video, we are covering comprehension section 32. I hope you are enjoying these videos and understood paragraph easily. This is very important topic. So let's start our video. The strength of the electronics industry in Japan is the Japanese ability to organize production and marketing rather than their achievements in original research. जापान की इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स उद्योग की ताकत उनकी उत्पादन और मार्केटिंग को संगठित करने की क्षमता में है, न कि उनकी मूल अनुसंधान में सफलता. The British are generally recognized as a far more inventive collection of individuals, but never seem able to exploit what they invent. ब्रिटिश को आम तौर पर एक कहीं ज्यादा रचनात्मक समूह के रूप में जाना जाता है, लेकिन वे कभी भी अपने आविष्कारों को पूरी तरह इस्तेमाल करते हुए नहीं दिखाई देते. There are many examples, from the TSR-Z hovercraft, high-speed train, and Sinclair scooter to the Triumph, BSA, and Norton motorcycle, which all prove this sad rule. काफी उदाहरण है, जैसे TSR-Z hovercraft, हाई स्पीड ट्रेन और सिंक्लर स्कूटर से लेकर ट्रायम्फ, BSA और नॉर्टन मोटरसाइकिल तक, जो इस दुख भरे नियम को साबित करते हैं. The Japanese were able to exploit their strengths in marketing and development many years ago, and their success was at first either not understood in the West or was dismissed as something which could have been produced only at their low price. जापान वाले अपनी मार्केटिंग और विकास में अपनी ताकत का फायदा उठा पाए थे कई साल पहले, और उनकी सफलता शुरुआत में या तो पश्चिम में समझी नहीं गई थी या फिर ISE इस तरह से अपनाया गया था कि ये सिर्फ उनके सस्ते दाम पर हाई बनाई जा सकती थी. They were sold because they were cheap copies of other people's ideas churned out of a workhouse which was dedicated to hard grind above all else. वे बेचे गए क्योंकि वे दूसरों के विचारों के सस्ते नकल थे, जो एक ऐसे काम करने वाले घर से निकले थे जो सबसे ज्यादा कठिन परिश्रम में लगा था. Now based on this explanation you can start questions and guessing which answer is correct. Thanks for watching. We are coming with more questions and their solutions and explanation. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.